back again, it's me, Rich Recorder, get it in order, higher than a quarter. I'm blowing light, but y'all niggas can order, catch it from Louise, I ain't talking Louise. I get money and I'm something like Young Teasy. What's happening to my partner in the D-Town Easy? Young Birmingham, fuck around with him and him. Don't say a name, fuck around killing him. Yeah, we don't do it like the Blame Gang. I be on that same thing, catch me on that same plane. When I'm blending like a blender on a torture too. Y'all niggas see me, man, watch your daughter walking through. My niggas here for a second. I can get money, but you can't get Tekken. I ain't getting Tekken. Talking 4 live and I'm making more money. And I got 4 guys and the battery is red and it is going dead. But I see a chick in the room, I might get some head. I'ma live life stone when I do a rhinestone. Fuck around with Rihanna and buy rhinestone. No, I fuck around with a donkey and buy rhino. I get fucking with the lieutenant, it's combo, yup. I'm taking over the strip, it's Young Richie Rich. I'm taking over your bitch, it's Young Dicky Dick. I'm still slicky slick, smoking on some sticky shit. Yeah, I'm real picky, bitch, fucking with a picky chick. And I'm on my leave grown, see me with my trees on. Fuck around, I catch them setting seasons and 4 seasons. Ramada and I'm popping bottles for no damn reason. Looking at this shit I do, damn I'm getting green on. Y'all niggas see me in the morning smoking Bud Light, Bud Ice, smoking like that shit like with your Bud Light. Yeah, dawg, we trippin', we keep on flipping. When I'm T.I.P. flipping, killing niggas off the kitchen. Whipping up that Gucci in the pot, got me some Vuitton, but I'm getting money beyond you niggas little peon. Still color up that car like it's a crayon. Holla 21, but dudes do Emmett and Dion. Yeah, getting money. See this shit, we believe this shit. We done seen this shit. Blam, my nigga C-Sharp, about to come through. Then we about to get high. Blow about a dumb 2. Yeah, about a 1-2. I kick it like it's 1-2. When it's over, yeah, my niggas say we done too. Playing on this track until this battery gone. Freestyle every day, it's every on. I mean it's every long. It's battery long, but rechargeable batteries can charge this long. Yep. It's about 3 minutes. I can get money, but I am not intimate. But I might go to Lennox, shop everywhere, True Religion where I live in. See how I envision, living like a CD, but this is television. Rock shoes, but they Nike. Walk through the mall, a chick might like me, but I check it out just like Nike. But I knock that pussy out like Mike C. And I'm piping, and they liking. I'm not writing, freestyle biting. Pile up like Elmer Fudd. I dig a hole and then smoke a nigga like he bud. But still got my shit on Recline X. You niggas wearing Timex. Hold on for a second. The beat gone, I needed the double checking. A double wrecking. Fuck it. You know. I might be like, y'all niggas keep hollering. Shout out, Khalif. Get at me, dog.